Hey everyone, it's Dina and welcome to today's episode. And today I'm going to talk about worrying. Like when we worry about things, it never helps. But in fact, when we worry or we are constantly in a state of fear, we are always hurting ourselves because those fearful thoughts that we are creating are actually attracting more fearful, worrisome thoughts towards us. So that is why it is super important to not use worrying as a negative affirmation. If you're repeatedly imprinting your psyche and your subconscious mind with visions of negative outcomes, guess what? You'll attract that into your life with ease and flow instead of attracting the positive outcomes that you're desiring. And when you constantly worry, you're literally hypnotizing your mind and telling your mind that it is okay to look for misfortunes. And in reality, that is not okay. You really desire the opposite of that. So it is super important to create your reality by choosing more mindful, positive thoughts and focusing on more positive outcomes. I just want you to understand that you can do way better than chronically worrying about things. So you need to focus on a different way of kind of counter reacting or embracing a different pattern or a different outcome through changing or adopting a different strategy. So if you had some thing that you're worried about, for example, instead of worrying and constantly becoming this chronic worrier and getting into this negative pattern and feedback loops of worrying and then more worrying and then more worrying, you need to change that strategy. You need to change that outcome. You need to do something different. You need to break that feedback loop. So you don't always constantly worry, but instead you take your power back and start creating your own reality, the reality that you desire, not the reality that you fear, but the reality that you want to manifest. So the first step is really to notice and catch yourself when you start worrying. You need to create that awareness, that consciousness around that action that now you're worrying. So in short, you really need to catch yourself in that act of worrying. And there is a fine line between thinking about what it is that you want to manifest to going into that deeper level of consciousness where you're just worrying and attracting those thoughts towards you. So become aware and become conscious of that fine line that, okay, I'm just thinking about the solution versus now I'm getting into this worrying. I'm getting into this hole where I'm now worrying and spiraling towards more worry. So the first step is really noticing, catching yourself, and creating awareness. And the second step is to ask yourself, what if whatever I desire with this outcome, with this situation, manifests? So let's say you have this question in your mind that, will I get this new job? And then you catch yourself worrying. And then you kind of spiral down into, okay, but what if I don't get this job? I really need this job, and then I won't be able to pay my bills. And then you start spiraling yourself down in that rabbit hole. You need to instead ask yourself, what if? Change it right away and say, okay, what if I get this job? How will my life change once I get this job? Because remember, the future that you desire is created with your thoughts, your feelings, your intentions, your expectations. So if you're going down the extreme end of worrying and then desiring the negative outcome or attracting the negative outcome, perhaps you desire a positive outcome, but you're attracting a negative outcome that way. What if you change your thought patterns and said, well, what if I got that job? How will my life change with that? What would I do differently with my life? And start imagining and start getting into that deeper level of consciousness now, but without the worry and the fear. I hope by now you're getting the gist of it as to what to do when the chronic worrying kind of starts bothering you and starts to eat up your wonderful thoughts, your manifesting, and your expectations. You really need to start doing step number 1 and then step number 2. And then step number 3 is choosing faith over fear, because worrying kicks in when you are fearful about the outcome. Usually we worry when we are so fearful about the outcome and you're expecting the worst to happen. So I might as well just spend my time worrying and thinking about all the possibilities that could go wrong with my manifestation. And that is what we chronically do as human beings. And so this is something we need to stop. We need to embrace a more positive outlook to that by embracing faith over fear. We need to start accepting that faith that my manifestation will work out, that the universe is supporting me, that everything happens in divine timing, that I need to surrender, I need to detach. Surrendering and detach is also a big part of faith, of having the faith. So these are some things you can really start incorporating instead of going into the spiral of worrying. I hope today's episode was very informative and you're going to really take on these steps that I've mentioned, step 1, step 2, step 3, and you're going to start incorporating them in your day-to-day practice. And yes, a little bit of worrying is fine, a little bit of fear is fine, but this is all about constantly doing this, constantly doing this. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind around positive outcomes and positive expectations instead of worrying. So I hope this was helpful to you, and if you absolutely love today's episode, connect with me on Instagram. My handle is @DinaVisram, and leave me your comments, your feedback, and share with me your aha moments, your learning moments with this episode. Until next time, much love and light. Thank you so much for tuning in.